Hey guys, Oppo launched Oppo Find N3 Flip in India today at 95,000 rupees. So let's now talk about the phone specification and the features. The phone built with plastic front and back with aluminium frame, but the phone look is still premium. The phone comes with foldable 6.8-inch LTPO 120Hz AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus, and the good thing is the phone peak brightness is 1600 and the cover display is 3.26-inch AMOLED display and is also protected by Gorilla Glass Victus, and the phone peak brightness is 900 and the cover display also supports 40 plus apps, and the phone comes with MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chipset with 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB storage with UFS 4.0, and out of the box the phone running Android 13 with ColorOS 13.2. Oppo gives 4 years OS update and 5 years of security update. The phone also comes with triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 32 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom and 48 megapixel ultra wide. And the phone is come with 32 megapixel selfie camera. You can record highest 4K 30fps video in the back and also selfie camera. And here is some camera sample, and the camera quality is too good. The phone powered by 4300 mAh battery and is support 44-watt fast charging, and you get 50% charge in just 23 minutes. And the phone also comes with 3 colors. So that's all about our video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you on the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.